Hi, I'm Brandon Reed with KRM Development in Tanzanite Homes. Today I wanted to give you a brief overview of our radon system that we put in all of our homes. Radon is a radioactive gas that stems from the soil caused by the breakdown of uranium. You can't see it, smell it, or taste it. It's the second leading cause of lung cancer and is responsible for over 21,000 lung cancer deaths in the U.S. annually. The EPA recommends mitigation if a home tests at or above 4.0 picocuries per liter, and recommends considering mitigation if the home tests between 2 and 4. Falling into zone 1, where predicted average indoor radon screening levels are greater than 4, Iowa is considered at the high risk for radon gas in homes. The Iowa Department of Public Health estimates that as many as 5 in 7 homes across Iowa have an elevated radon level of 4 or more. High levels of radon can be found in any type of home, new, old, and with or without basements. Right here is the pipe we use that goes up and out the roof as a gravity-fed system. It's tied directly into the former drain system that we run around the inside outside of our house. Passive radon reduction systems will effectively reduce a home's potential radon levels by 50% when installed correctly. The passive radon system we put in all of our homes goes directly out the roof, out the back side of the roof, and we also put up in the attic in case you ever want to add a full-blown mitigation system, an outlet so you can put a pump on. By putting this in at this stage of construction on a new home, one will save you money in the long run if you ever wanted to add a full-blown mitigation system, because the hard part is done. The mitigation system is piped out and run out the roof. You would just have to add the pump later. Thank you for watching this video on our radon passive systems that we do in all of our homes. Hopefully this gives you a good insight of the radon system that we have put in for you.